Do you often have constipation? Constipation is not a small issue because it indicates multiple health issues in your lungs, stomach, kidneys, and intestines. You may aggravate it by relying on laxatives and medications. How to solve this annoying issue from the root cause? Check out this custom Qigong routine. Lifting shoulders 20 times. Alternate breathing 2 minutes. Waving arms 40 minutes. Rotating waist 50 times. Caterpillar 5 minutes. What are the benefits of this custom routine? It can eliminate blockages in the heart and lungs, strengthen your lungs and kidneys and whole spine, stimulate intestinal movement, and treat constipation from the root cause. To access this Qigong routine, use the code on the screen and paste it into Onenergy Qigong app. By practicing this routine daily, you will notice a significant improvement in your condition.